On the back of your Shape Creator packaging are all of the instructions, but you can follow along here too. So I'm just taking a fat quarter or whatever size fabric you're using. You're gonna fold it over, selvage to selvage, and then that folded edge, bring that over so it meets the selvage. And now let's line this up on our mat. And now the way this Shape Creator works is it's got all of these lines on the mat, 0 all the way over to 16 inches and then 0 to 12 inches. And you'll see all of these diamonds on the bottom. What these diamonds are for is it gives your rotary cutter a little wiggle room, just a little extra space to get inside these pre-cut lines. So now all we need to do is line up our lines on the shape cutter with the lines on our mat. And what I love about this versus cutting with a regular ruler is that this has a 0 line, which means you can cut off your selvage and then keep going without ever having to move your ruler. So I'm gonna stand up just to give myself a little more arm strength. And then at the 0 mark, I'm gonna go ahead. That's gonna cut off the selvage, but don't move anything. The idea here is that your ruler doesn't have to move at all. You can finish cutting your whole width of fabric without having to stop and remeasure, just by counting over the number of inches you want your strip to be. So if I want it to be 2.5, 1, 2.5, I put my rotary cutter in through that diamond, and now it's gonna lie perfectly, and I can cut without having to move my ruler. And I'll just keep counting over every 2.5 inches. Don't move anything. I love that you can even bring your rotary cutter back because it's all trapped in that channel, nice and safe, very precise. Okay, so now that it's all cut up, you can move your shape cutter and the selvage comes off and there are all your perfect strips. Much faster than having to replace your ruler every single time.